So whichever type of ready-to-wear you sell, whether kiddies, adults, women, men, pay attention to this video because I want to be sharing some of the things you need to focus on when you run your ads, right? Welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Shola and this is BizLift. This YouTube channel basically talks about everything you need to know about Facebook ads, Instagram ads. We talk about advertising generally and how you can leverage platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and other social media platforms to grow your business. All right. We also share business tips on this YouTube channel. So if you're just joining this YouTube channel, welcome. Please ensure you subscribe and drop a thumbs up for this video. So we started a series on different niches and different industries talking about their ads, what they should do for ads and all that. And in this particular video, we want to talk about ready to wear. So if you're a ready to wear brand, we want to talk about what you should do for your ad, content, budget, targeting, everything that you need to know when you want to run your ad. Now, the first thing you need to understand is content for ready to wear. You must be ready to shoot content with you wearing the items, right? Or with models wearing the items. You must be ready to shoot content like that. You must be ready to shoot transition content where they are changing clothes, changing outfits, or you must be able to do flat lays where you're snapping pictures, either the picture on a mannequin or you're snapping the clothes on the floor. You must be ready to just do content that really would make people see exactly what they want to buy, okay? Now, ready to wear basically focuses on you making these items, right? So you're making bespoke tailored items. Did I say that correctly? Bespoke tailored items, right? So you're making bespoke tailored items, meaning that you're creating unique pieces for people, right? You need to showcase what you've done and the things you do. So your content basically should contain behind the scenes. They should contain user generated content of people who wear your items. Your content should also contain a bit of storytelling of maybe how you started, the idea behind some of your pieces. You need to do a lot of content that basically will make people fall in love with the brand, right? Now, once you have the content side sorted out, the next thing you want to do is to run your ads, right? So let's quickly go over what you need to do to run your ads, right? Now, the first thing is, of course, we're going to create our ad. Now, we're going to create an engagement ad. Most of these series, I'm going to be using engagement objective for most of these series. And the reason is because this is the objective that I believe gives the result that I get and I also get for my clients. So that is why this objective is one of my best objectives. So I'm going to click on engagement and then continue. And then I'm going to choose the manual engagement option, right? Manual engagement option is what we want, okay? So once I have done this, the next thing I want to do is to come here and then click next. I'm not doing anything here, basically, just click next. Now, for this particular ad, you're going to be running two different ads, right? So one ad is going to be a video views advert, and the other one is now going to be a messaging advert. Basically, it's the same thing, but you can run two different campaigns, either a video views campaign, which is using this on your ad, or you do a DM campaign where people can send you messages that they are interested and they want you to make a dress for them or they want to buy a dress from you, okay? So whether you make the dress, whether you have them ready-made, this particular video is going to still work for you, okay? So I'm going to click messaging apps. Then I'm going to come down to click here, select your page, of course, and then the budget. Now, depending on the pricing, I always will say this, that the pricing will determine what the budget will be like, okay? So depending on the pricing, ensure that you choose the right price for your brand, okay? So let's look at, say, 3,000. Between 3,000 to 5,000 is ideal for your brand. So 3,000 to 5,000 is a good budget, okay? So once we have that setting, I always will also say that run your ads for at least 15 days. That's the minimum that you should always do, okay? So 15 days, then the location, you can work with locations around you that you already sell to, okay? So let's jump straight into the most important part for me, which is the targeting. So I'm going to switch to original, okay? And then come here. Now, let's talk about age range first. Now, when it comes to age range, the age range of people that you would want to focus on will be somewhere between 24 and 36. These are the people that are so crazy about fashion, are people that are so crazy about buying new things, buying new 24 to 36 will want to be your focus. The moment you cross over to about 37 and 40, 45, you really will not get the results you want, except you sell products or you sell your ready-made items to people who are older. Except you have that kind of brand that focuses on older people, then that's fine. But if not, I want you to focus between 24 to 36. Okay, your gender, of course, should be women. Depending on the gender you sell for, whether it's men or women, choose the right gender that you want. And then now for the targeting, which is the main thing that you want. Now the targeting is going to be very simple. Okay, we're going to start with ready to wear because that's our niche. So let's start with ready to wear. Okay, so ready to wear is the first target we're using. Then we click on suggestions. We're going to see clothing. We're going to see dresses. We're going to see fashion accessories. Okay, if you want to use boutiques, you can feel free to use boutiques. Party dress is also part of it. I think I saw it just now. Okay, let's look for it again. Yeah, party dress. You can see blouse, formal wear. So depending on what you sell, just keep picking what is most likely going to, be close to your niche. Then you can add a few rich audiences like luxury, right? So you can add something like, say, luxury lifestyle. That's part of what you can add, or you can add some other things that has to do with luxury, okay? So once you have done this, the next thing you want to do is to use manual placement. Use manual placement and select out Facebook, or select out the places you don't want. I don't use Facebook, so I turn that off. Come to audience network. I don't use it. I turn it off as well. Come to Messenger also. So I basically just turn off the places that I don't use. So I turn that off and then that's it. Okay. So you click next and then put in your post. Of course, use an existing post that is already on your Instagram page. So you must have created your content already. Now, allow your content to get organic reach. It's very important. Allow your content to get organic reach. That way you'll be able to reach the people that actually, that way the advert will be able to work very well and give you results because you already has organic reach. Okay. So select your post. Once you're done selecting your post, your ad is ready to go. So once you're done doing this, you can publish your advert and your advert should start running. Okay. So if you have questions, I'm sure that there might be people that have questions. Please leave them in the comment section, whether you are in the ready to wear industry or you sell fashion items, clothing items. Leave the comment or leave your questions in the comment section and I'll be responding to as many as I can. Thank you so much. If you've watched this video to this extent, to this length, thank you so much. Please remember to leave a thumbs up on this video and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much and I'm going to see you in the next video.